Good morning. My name is Ali Brown, one of the instructors with the Healthy Cornwall training team, and I'm here today to talk to you a little bit more about the 2-day mental health first aid course for adults. So what is a mental health first aider? Well, just like physical health, we all have mental health, and yet we are far more happy as a society to talk about our physical health, and we're far more comfortable as a society responding to people's physical health needs. Just like physical first aider, a mental health first aider actually learns the skills to be able to support somebody who may be in mental distress. Let's hear a little bit more about the course.
In the salon, I have all sorts of conversations. We're dealing with people one-to-ones all day, every day. We're in a very unique position of trust, so people often open up to us.
It's so important in society to be aware about mental health, because we all have mental health. As a teacher, I've always wanted to help young people, but I've not always known how to do that. That's why I took the Youth Mental Health First Aid course.
Working in the police could be very challenging work. Well, mental health first aid training gives you the knowledge and the skills to signpost someone to get the help that they might need.
In my role as talent leader, I see the amount of pressure that people are under in our high performance culture. I thought it would be a really useful thing for me to do to understand the effects of that pressure on our people.
We're trained on health and safety all the time, and this is the perfect addition to that training.
Mental Health First Aid England offers courses for all industries and specifically focuses on providing initial help for co-workers, families and friends.
The 2-day mental health first aid course gave us the confidence and the ability to react in the correct way when people are talking to you about their mental health.
In the police, it's really helped us to recognise when somebody might be experiencing mental ill health and for us to know what to do next.
The training's personally helped me being able to approach individuals, not just to ask them how their day's going, but to really talk to them and to offer some support.
Just a week after I'd completed the training, a pupil came to me with suicidal feelings. Having done the training, I was in a position to calmly respond to that situation. It's an incredible feeling to know that you've done something to help a young person who's struggling.
Mental
Health
First
Aid
England.
So, what can you expect when you join a mental health first aid course? Well, we explore lots of different topics. We really look at what is mental health and try to really understand the difference between poor mental health and mental illness. We'll explore a number of different conditions that somebody may experience, including depression, anxiety, psychosis, self-harm, and thoughts of suicide. We'll also together learn a model that you can apply to support anybody that may be in mental distress. As part of the training, you will actually receive a manual and a workbook, which are yours to keep and are an invaluable reference going forward. And you'll also receive lots and lots of resources that you'll be able to signpost somebody to. Just like a physical first aider, once you've received your certification as a mental health first aider, there is also refresher training, which we recommend that you do once every 2 years just to keep your skills up to date. At the moment, we're offering online training, but as we progress through the end of the COVID-19 pandemic, we'll also go back to our face-to-face training in a classroom setting. Whichever way you choose to train, it's a really worthwhile course. It'll give you the confidence and the skills to be able to support anybody that you may come across who is in mental distress. I really do look forward to welcoming you on a course soon.